Friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about few intraday or some small positional opportunities for very quick short term like 2-3 days. Before going into the details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please read carefully. Okay, let's go to the stock details. These are the stocks we are having the some opportunities we may get. Okay, whatever the stocks I am discussing here, it may give you the opportunity or may not give you the opportunity. Okay, just I wanted to give you entire details with multi-time frame analysis as well as the pure price action analysis I wanted to do. Okay, this is kind of the educational video which will give you how to select the stocks for intraday. Okay, this is how most of the time I select. Okay, this is little higher time frame, lower than the day time frame. I wanted to check on the something 125 75 minutes, something like that. Okay, for the sake of visibility of clear visibility, I took the 125 minutes. Normally this 125 minutes they will, in the trading view we will not get it, so I picked the Fires platform where the trading view is free. Okay, let's come back to the chart trade setups. Okay, see, for anything if we wanted to trade, right, minimum what we required is we want the trend as well as the pattern. Okay, here if we see, right, this is the 20 moving average. I always look for the 20 moving average on any time frame. Okay, so what it's saying is there is a impulsive move in the stock. There is an impulsive move. After the move, it went for the consolidation. Okay, and also during this consolidation, it made the cup and handle. Okay, cup and handle. So already there is a small breakout, and here there is a small consolidation. It may break out. Okay, if this breaks out, right, we can give the, we can try to enter here or somewhere here in this area, somewhere in this area, or in case if the stocks open in, you know with the gap, what is the strategy we need to follow before going into the strategy. Okay, let me explain you simple concept. Okay, in case if the stocks, see, most of the time what happens is if the stock is in the consolidation for a while, there is a probability of opening with the gap. Okay, if any stock, any time frame, remember guys, okay, as per my experience I am seeing there is a multiple kind of gap ups. Okay, these are the gaps, right? These gaps can be any kind of gaps. One is the, okay, here I am going to take you here. Let me take you here somewhere. Okay, there are multiple kind of gaps. One is the runaway gap. Second one is the breakaway gap. Okay, this breakaway gap is normally we call it as a breakout gap. Okay, runaway gap, breakaway gap, exhaustion gap. Exhaustion gaps happens during the extreme moves. Extreme moves, that is the final trend. Okay, after that we will not see any trend. Such kind of cases, exhaustion candle, exhaustion breakouts will happen. Okay, runaway gaps, right, most of the time this kind of runaway gaps signal for the trend continuation. How it forms is, okay, this is the candlestick format. This is the daily, it went like this. After that, some retracement might have come, now next day it is going to open here. Okay, and the continuation, next day it is going to open here. In this case, this is called runaway gap. This runaway gap, what happens, most of the time it may touch the previous high. If the price opens very close to the previous high, there is a probability of touching the previous close, then start going up. Okay, don't enter the trade immediately here. Okay, in case if you see the runaway gaps, this runaway gaps, most of the time, 90% of the time, it is going to retest the previous high. If it is opens far away from the previous high, it is going to touch the high. If it is opens very close to the previous high, there is a probability of touching the low. If the low, between the low and high, the gap is there, okay, there is a probability of touching this. This is runaway gap. Okay, the breakaway gap is if the stock continues, okay, it goes for the consolidation, some consolidation. That means it is trading in the range for a while. Once it trades, right, there is a probability of like this in the, okay, here you will see candles might be closing in the here. This kind of breakout, okay, this kind of gaps, consolidation, observe the consolidation, huge consolidation. If the stock opens in the gap, this gap is called, okay, this gap is called breakaway gaps. These breakaway gaps, there is a probability of coming to 50 percentage, coming to 50 percentage retracement, or it is going to have the multiple candles like this. One red candle, it makes and it creates like, impression that it is going to down, but immediately it reverse, it goes up. Okay, in this, how to trade this thing, you have to place the order here, okay, with the gap until this is called pivot. Okay, until this forms, right, this pivot forms, you have to wait. Okay, most of the time there is a probability of going 3-4 candles consolidation if this opens in the gap, or it is going to fill half of the gap. Okay, if it fails to fill the, if it is fails to reverse from here and fill entire gap, right, there is a high probability of going back. That time this gap is going to call it as a exhaustion gap, which not able to sustain. Okay, this kind of three kind of gaps we normally see during the open timing. Okay, let's go. In the TVS Motors, in this case, what we are seeing here is, this is the after the run. Okay, there is a cup and handle pattern. If this opens in the gap, there is a probability of coming back here. Okay, here it may reverse, or it may trade a little bit here, then it start moving. Okay, based on that we have to decide how the price is reacting. Based on that we have to take the entry. Okay, before taking the entry, please do your own research and also your risk. You calculate your risk, and based on that you can trade. Okay, this is the TVS Motor. I'm looking for the positive opportunity, upside potential. Okay, coming to the second stock, what is the direction of the moving average? The moving average looks like, it is full trend. It was in the full trend. Now it is reversing. Okay, it is reversing. Let me switch off this moving average and try to analyze the price action further. What happened is, here the stock had big move, then it had some small consolidation, Okay, it had some small consolidation. Then it failed to go to the next level. It failed to go to the next level. Right? So instead going up, right, it started reversal from here itself. There is a some small thing. There is a some small area which is going to act as a some liquid area, supply zone. Okay, now this is the structure. The structure is like, okay, it is trading in the zone for a couple of days. Then the structure got broken. Now it comes for the retest. Okay, what happens, in this case, whoever the aggressive players, they might have shorted here in this region. Okay, once the price comes, right, they wanted to do the stop loss hunting. So in this range, okay, when it comes for this is going to be the stop loss hunt. Okay, to make this stop loss hunt, we will see the extreme candle here. Immediately there is a supply zone here. Once it retraces back to the supply zone, it is going to fall again. Okay, like this. This is the pure price action. We are trying to understand what is the psychology behind this. Okay, now this is not the place to enter. Okay, this is the right place in this zone. If it comes, okay, in this zone, if it comes, we have to wait. After this zone, it is going to go up or going to go down. Once it comes here, look for the price action. Let it come down here. Once it comes down here, the moment candle closes below this, you can go for the short. Otherwise there is no trade opportunity. So here what I am trying to tell you is, this is the zone where supply zone is there. This is the place where stop losses will be there, because here it got breakdown. Okay, because of the stop loss, right, for the shorting, which is the stop loss, this stop loss is going to be the long, right, buy. Okay, because of this large buy stocks, immediately it will create the big green candle. By seeing this big green candle, people start entering. Okay, in the bull side here, this is the supply area is there. Okay, happily they will put everything in this poor guys. Then market will decide which side it has to go. Okay, until this war happens, we should not react for this stock. This is what we are seeing on the Motherson. Okay, Exide Industries, this is little bit even interesting. See, if we see this raw price action, we will not analyze anything. Okay, what happening here is, let us mark something. Okay, let us mark something here. Previously, what happened is, there was a extreme move here. This is the impulsive move. Then it had the consolidation. Okay, breakout. Then it created the stop loss hunt here. Then extreme move. Okay, after the extreme move, right, now same behavior we are seeing it here. Okay, it had some good consolidation, but breakout happened. Now it is coming for the retest. When it comes for the retest, right, okay, this is the zone. There could be some stop losses. Same behavior we may see it here, like Motherson. Okay, keep these two stocks with the same behavior. This is another stock, Asoka Leyland. This is another interesting thing. What I am trying to tell you here is, okay, this is the area, full supply zone. Why it is supply zone? Let me decode stage by stage. First, what happened here is, okay, this is the place where it had the breakout, right? It had the breakout here. Okay, here it is trying to make the higher highs. Okay, it is trying to make the higher highs, but between these two higher highs, right, between these two higher highs, there is no much room. There is no much room. That means there are huge number of sellers than buyers. Here itself there is a stop loss hunt happened, right, between this is the fake breakout, we can say. This fake breakout happened, then the structure, right, this is the structure. Fake breakout happened. After that there was a consolidation. This consolidation got breakout, then again there is a one more consolidation. Okay, it went up. Now see here, there are lot of sellers created the sell positions here, sold it here. Here there are lot of buyers went here. Now it reached to the point where more sellers are there. This is the place where more sellers are there. Stop loss hunting also happened. Short positions created in this area. Now here there are couple of buyers. These guys also trying to push the price up. Now what happens, these people whoever shorted here, all the people will be having stop losses somewhere in this region. Okay, stop losses somewhere in this region. For the people who shorted here, stop losses will be there. All the stop losses will be there in this region. The people whoever bought here, all the stop losses will be here, right? Now what we have to do is just keep the, okay, here there is a tough fight. Strong buyers are there, strong sellers are there. Who is going to win? We don't know. If the buyers wanted to push the price up, if they push simply here, because of this stop loss orders, already stop loss hunt happened. Okay, it is going to grow very big candle with 1 or 2%. Okay, easy money we will get it here if we place the order, or if we place the order here, sell side, immediately, since it is already having the bearish, whoever put the whoever bought here, for them sell orders here, already in the bearish sentiment is there. Okay, here the breakout failure happens, so whoever pushed, right, all the people they get a disappointment and they will try to exit. Okay, all the buy positions are going to be the sell positions already in the negative sentiment. Okay, there will be a buy orders. Okay, there will be a sell orders here for the buyers. All together the bearish sentiment, the sell orders together, it becomes heavy fall. Okay, we can see the reasonable amount of fall in this. Okay, so our strategy here is, okay, if it is going to open in the gap, definitely it is going to be like, okay, exhaustion candle. These guys wanted to come and they will push down. Okay, immediately exhaustion candle, then further price action we have to see. Based on that we can initiate the trade. If this opens here only, it is going to be consolidated for some time. Okay, because of the sell orders, since it is in the bullish side. Okay, bullish side, there is a probability of breaking out and going further. Okay, if this consolidate, if it is opens in the gap down below this, it amplifies the selling pressure and definitely it is going to fall more. Okay, that is what Ashoka Leyland. If we see Bank of Baroda, what is happening in the Bank of Baroda? Okay, this is, we have to look in the buying opportunity in the stock. Why buying opportunity? This is the place where it is having the demand zone. Multiple times whenever it is coming here, there is a huge demand for this stock. Okay, since the moving average, right, lot of consolidation is happened here. Okay, lot of consolidation happened here. Because of this consolidation, unfortunately if this breaks out, okay, we can see good amount of fall Here, if this breaks down, because of this consolidation, definitely stop loss hunting will be there. Once it will come for sure, this is the stop loss area. If this breaks, opens in the gap down, okay, if this opens in the gap down, as per my observation and experience, definitely there will be some stop losses here, okay. It is going to be the like morning star comes here, take all the stop losses and goes back, okay. This is what it happens. We have to see the further price action. These are the crucial stages, okay. Same here another price action analysis is all these are the pure price action. I am not at all using any indicators, nothing, okay. If we see here, the stock is trading in the channel, right? The stock is trading in the channel where okay, entire this region, right? This region is acting as a more demanding zone for this stock, okay. But what happened, this is called liquidity run. This is called liquidity run, okay. Here there will be a, since it is some demand zone, because of this demand zone it came for the retest, okay. We have to see here the further trend lines. If we draw the trend lines, right, okay. In this region already here the fake out happened and took the stop losses and came for this one. Now it is going to be the same behavior, okay. In this region, once it reaches to this region, there is a probability of falling, okay. Muthoot Finance, same like LIC, it started making the lower lows, okay. Double top, we can say it is the double top, top one double top, okay. 50% retracement, double top with 50% retracement. This kind of stocks, if we immediately makes the trade, right, it will take the stop losses, it will kick us out, okay. Wait for the market to break this level, then create the some spreads or something, you can trade happily. Around 4 to 5 percentage correction we can see in this stock, okay. If this goes up, right, since we planned, okay, it is impulsive move, then consolidation, we are looking some correction, okay. If the correction is not coming, wait for the stock to break out, form the bullish structure. Once it forms the bullish structure, you initiate the trade during the retest and trade. These are the stocks, okay, with good price action, okay. Nicely it is formed. One can look the opportunities at the lower time frame. If we see the lower time frame, further we can see, okay. For example, Bank of Baroda, we wanted to look for the buying opportunity here, okay. This is the zone we were looking for the demand zone, right. Let me go to the 5 minute chart, okay. 5 minute chart, the the way how it is forming the lower lows, right. 5 minute chart might have formed the, okay, higher lows. Instead lower lows, it might have formed the higher lows, okay. We can see, I didn't observe. This is what, based on the experience I am talking. See, it is making the bullish structure, right. It formed the lower lows, it is bullish structure, okay. Once this area, this is the area where lot of consolidation happened, there will be some people may look for the sell side opportunity in this area. Once let it come here during the reversal, okay, we can take the entry in this after crossing this, okay. This is what the Bank of Baroda, any PSU stocks, the PSU bank index opens in the green, we can right away look for the opportunity, in Bank of Baroda. Okay, other stocks also in the PSC Bank Index. Okay, these are the stocks which are having a very nice price action trading setups. Please do your own research. Coming to the cash segment, right? Okay, we are having very two stocks. One from the pharma sector. I think this stock looking very good in the trend. Okay, upside trend. It took some pause. Okay, again it made the level by level, it is making the higher high, so we can have the entry here by having the stop loss. We can trade in this. Okay, Banco India, this is also, it had the bullish retracement, made retracement. Okay, failed to go down. It started, instead going down, it started going up. Okay, we can wait for some retracement here, go for the long by having the stop loss below here. Okay, this is where the breakout happened. The w form happened, right? Okay, below this W, this is where you can keep the stop loss and travel in this stock. These are the two stocks. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you so much for the watching this video. Please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.